Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 和 step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write 和 It means to close, together, to fit. For example, 合适合适 suitable fitting. Now check this sentence. Jack is the right one for the job. Jack is the right one for the job.杰克是这份工作的合适人选。杰克是这份工作的合适人选。合适人选 Jack 杰克是 is 这份工作the job 的合适人选 the right one. Jack is the right one for the job. 杰克是这份工作的合适人选。和 in cursive.和 to close, together, to fit. 合适 suitable, fitting. Jack is the right one for the job. 杰克是这份工作的合适人选。和 Okay, please comment any words or sentence with the character 和. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's a wrap. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.